What's going on YouTube? Michael here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sell on Whop, but more importantly I'm going to show you how to build a community on Whop and how to drive traffic to your Whop. So if you're new here or you don't know anything about Whop, you're in the right place. I'm going to be taking you through step-by-step tutorial of how I've set up my Whop and how you can too. Before we dive in though, if you do want to go ahead and get the digital playbook right here, which has the AI traffic system that I talk about, link's going to be in the description. So let's go ahead and jump into the video on how to sell on Whop. So first thing you want to do, go to whop.com and it's going to take you to homepage. It's not going to look like this. It's going to pop up and it's going to take you to something where it says this, let's build on Whop. So this is going to be my demo account. Boom, you're going to want to build or pick a name. I'm just going to go with, I don't know, dog training course. Might be a bad example. So learn how to. So this is a walkthrough, so just bear with me. Hopefully you guys get the point. If you need help creating any of this kind of stuff, use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your best friend. So one thing about Whop is they have something that's called Discover, which allows you to search, get found, and get discovered. But before you're able to apply to this, you need to obviously set up a few things, which it shows you how to do right down here. Add a title, heading, description, logo, gallery, image, apps. That's the different things you see up here. Choose your category, benefits, set up your payouts. So I'm not going to go through all of that because that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to really take you through the apps right here, the different things that you're able to build inside of your Whop, which is, or one of the most simple ones the one that I like is the discussion or chat area. So if you can see right here, this literally looks like an iMessage and they've designed it that way. One thing that I've done is all my internal teams or my team, we would communicate in Slack. Well, I've made it own an internal Whop and we communicate strictly through Whop. Seamless transition, everything perfect. iMessage. This right here is what would be when someone comes onto your Whop, a little new start here section where you kind of just do a little welcome post. They can introduce themselves and just start building that community engagement. Discord. So if you notice, at least right now, at the time I'm recording this video, Whop has a lot of like trading, crypto, what did I say? Yeah, trading and gambling are the two main ones I see. And Discord is where they like to communicate on. And Whop's and Discord's integration is super smooth. A lot of people use this as like a paywall to get into their Discord. So there's a lot of use cases. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't use it in mine, but that option is available. Content. So what this app is and how to get to the apps, which I didn't explain, is just you'll go over here to manage and you're able to add some new apps. So they have everything from a little Whop wheel that, you know, free spins every day. You have links, different guides. I'll go through the video calls, trading fees, job boards. So they have a lot of really cool stuff. But in the content app, at least it reminds me a little bit of Notion, which I really like. As far as if you hit the backdash, you can import videos, things along the lines of that. Video calls. This is an app where this is where I'll host my meetings, office hours, join a room. People can just come and join since I have access to your Whop. They can start chatting, ask you any questions. So if you're used to like Twitch, Kicks, YouTube streaming, basically you can do that, but in a private manner for your Whop only. And then course, pretty self-explanatory. This is where you're able to build out your course. I like the UI of this so much. So that's kind of a high level of how to start building out your Whop. If you want more in-depth videos or you would like to have my team actually build you out a Whop. We're actually doing a really cool setup thing right now. If you want to hit the link in the description, tell you more about that, because I don't want to get onto it in this video. But what I want to talk about, which is so important, is something that my mentor was talking to me about, which is called ACEs. What that stands for is attention, conversation, educate, and then sales. So what I've been seeing recently is with AI, with content, there's so much content just at the top. And what I'm seeing now is people are pushing that or their top of funnel stuff is just basic content, pushing them into a community, a Whop, a school, to be able to have control over that. And if you don't have that, the first thing you need is attention. You need this pumping out content, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. If you're brand new, you got to start with YouTube organic. YouTube organic is the best. Conversation. That's why having a community and building an audience, or having a community, a group, is amazing, because you'll be able to create that one-on-one back and forth conversation. In doing that, you're educating them on whatever it is. In my case, it's AI in my digital playbook group, and I'm educating people on different systems, how to set up schedulers so they can create content with AI and schedule it to multiple accounts. So things along the line of that nature. And then whenever I end up selling something like my Robots Profit Bootcamp, I've built that rapport, I've built that connection with the people in my group for them to be able to have enough trust in me to purchase. So ACEs is something that I'm going to be talking about a lot on this channel, pretty much every video, because that is the framework. No matter where you're at, is if you have attention, oh, you need to get more attention to start building that funnel, things along the lines of that nature. So depending on when this video comes out, we're going to be making some more, we're not going to be making some more, we're actually going to be making a Whop specifically for this channel, for if you need help with any questions, build outs, or things along the lines of that nature, you can get a response from us. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.